and welcome back to another video. Today I'm excited to show you an unboxing of the Clover Flex POS. So when you first get your package, it's going to come in this big box here, and inside you will find two smaller boxes. Let's go ahead and take those out. Get to the good stuff. So in our first big box here, you're going to notice we have the Clover manual right here. Then we have the charging base for the Clover Flex. We have the printer paper, as the Clover Flex comes with a built-in printer. And then here we have our Clover screwdriver, great to keep handy, and the charging cord for the Clover base. And then in this smaller box here, we have what I hope is the Clover Flex. Here we go. Here's the piece de resistance, our handheld mobile Clover Flex POS system. This is one of our most popular systems, great for any kind of business, but especially mobile businesses, businesses on the go, any business that does any kind of events. Also for retail, because it does have a built-in barcode scanner. So this is a really great device. As you can see here, you would just put it here on the base to charge. This is where the printer is on the back. You would just open it up and input. This is a safety sleeve that comes nice to protect your Flex. You would just open up the printer here in the back, and this is where you would insert your paper. Here's the button for the barcode scanner. If you would like to learn more about the Clover Flex POS system, you can click the link in the video down below. We have a lot more information about our Clover Flex that we would love to share with you. But that's it for our unboxing today. Please subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below letting us know what other videos you'd like to watch, and if you have any questions about the Clover Flex that we can help you with. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.